Housed manifold replace Ford Duratec engine. And this part in here, this is exhaust manifold, and firstly I have to open this exhaust manifold's heat shield, this cover, and there is really 8mm bolts, and I take my tool that I can open these bolts. Okay, and here are those. Here is 8mm socket, and there is screw what is like that, and then this one away, and then we go next screws, and in this side we have here and in here, and then we have to look screws in that area in here, and then we have in here those two bolts. They are longer. Okay, and now these screws are free, and then this upper cover opens, and this is like heat shield. Now it's free, and we can continue with this area. Then we have next bolt in here, in this area, and in this another side also in here. Good. Screw like that. Okay, and then this cover, heat cover, also opens, and this purpose is to protect engine, and this is heat shield. Good.